Welcome to Why Money Entertainments. Today, I'm doing something a little different. First, I'm going to do a fish fry with a new seasoning flour. Then I'm going to do green beans, fresh, and a salmon bake. There's my seasonings right there. Okay. And this is my fish. I am going to marinate this fish overnight. I have it in my Tupperware bowl. There's my seasonings on my fish. I'm going to add my egg mixture, shake it up, and then show you that I'm getting ready to put it in the refrigerator overnight for the fish fry. Okay, this is it. I got the egg mixture in, all my seasonings, Italian seasonings. Now this is going to soak overnight, and then I'll be ready to get here for the fish fry. Show it to you really briefly. Kentucky seasoning, flour seasoning. Okay, I use Southern flour, and I noticed that it came out a little dark because of how nice and flaky this is. This is whiting. Here in the back. Oh, green beans for days. Okay, I'm gonna fix myself garlic herb salmon with a white wine. Here's my salmon steaks. I'm gonna use Goya, Obey. There's my white wine, some Italian seasoning, garlic, and lemon juice, about a capful. I'm gonna add a little butter on top, get that top a little bit of crispy. There it goes on top of my brown rice, and I'm going to eat my green beans later. They're still cooking. Throw them likes up because you like this video.